How to use template on CapCut. Our guest first wishes to use template on CapCut application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for templates. Click on it. After you click on it, now select the template that you want to use. After you click on it, tap on Use Template. Now select the photo or video that you want to add template on. As soon as you select it, click on Next. After you click on it, your template will be created, and that's it guys. That's how you're going to use template on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.